Oh snap, gonna have some custom Dickies. What's going on, you guys? This is Chris with Patch Boy Darb, and in today's video we are going to be embroidering onto a Dickies shirt right here. This is a short sleeves Dickies shirt that I picked up from Walmart. I'm going to put my brand logo onto the back of this Dickies shirt. This is a large, if you guys can see right in there. I got super excited for this project. I even went out and got some matching Dickies shorts. So not only am I going to have the custom Dickies shirt with the logo, I'm also going to put the logo on the shorts as well. Without further delay, I'm going to go ahead and load this up on the Brother PRS 100, also known as the Brother Persona. You guys sit back, relax, and watch this thing stitch out. Also, I'm going to go ahead and put my name on the front of this shirt with the matching thread colors. The colors I'm going to be using are green and a fuchsia pink. Those are my color schemes for this shirt, so it's going to be black. I'm going to be utilizing the negative space of the black Dickies shirt for my design, and I'm super excited to get this going. So let's get on to it. And here is the logo that I'm going to be putting on the back of this Dickies shirt. And as I said already, I'm going to be using the Brother PRS 100. I got it loaded up. I'm getting some full bobbin in there so that way I don't run out of bobbin. Yeah, and I got it connected to the computer through the cord, as you can see right here. Alright, you guys, so I got the Dickies shirt hooped, ready to go. I even got my cutaway stabilizer on the inside, as y'all can see. Let me go ahead and get this on the machine and we're gonna start stitching. The placement is how I want it to be. The design up on the screen is also how I want it to be, so I don't have to rotate it at all. So fresh bobbin. Let's get this design in there. Make sure nothing's gonna get in the way. When it comes to doing stuff like this, you guys, doing these bigger projects, you want to make sure that nothing's gonna be in the way when it starts embroidering. The collar out the way. Nothing's on the bottom. Everything's out the way on the bottom. So now I gotta go ahead up here and change my bobbin color, or my thread colors. My first color is my fuchsia pink, which is this pink that I'm going to be using right here. All right, everything's set, ready to go. Let's go ahead and hit our lock button and let's start it. Get all good under here. Zigzag stitches right there. Oh yeah. Be sure you guys stop and like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. And also click the links down in the description box below. That will take you to our Amazon affiliate links. So if you guys want to purchase all of the stuff that we use here in our shop, we got a nice list going for you guys for Amazon, so definitely click on those links. Help support the shop. We greatly appreciate it. So after it does all this fuchsia pink, is going to do green. I just keep double checking, making sure nothing's getting snagged on the bottom, being extra cautious. And if any of you guys are curious, I just picked up this Yokomo RD 1.0. This is a RC drift car. I went to an RC car meet the other night and it was super cool, so I went ahead and picked up a chassis. So I'm going to go ahead and build my own RC drift car. Super excited for that. Pause it. It feels a little droopy right here. It feels a little droopy in my hoop, but okay, this should be all right. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera off so that way the battery doesn't die. It can start charging a little bit. Once the pink is done, we'll come back in and show you guys the green. So the fuchsia pink is complete. Now it's time to change it to the green. I gotta tie it off. Now I need to pull the excess through and keep this thing going. Come on, there it is. All right, thread it through the automatic needle threader, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off because the camera's getting ready to die. We'll pick back up once this thing is complete. Alright you guys, so the first part of this custom Dickies shirt is complete. The back side of it, let me go ahead and get it off the hoop for you guys to see it. Oh yeah, look at that thing right there. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get it off the hoop fully. Off to the side, show you guys what the inside looks like. So there's the inside. I do got to cut the excess stabilizer off, but there's the back side of it, looking nice, looking nice. Let me put this thing on. So I didn't cut the stabilizer off yet, but yeah, what y'all think? Does it look all right? Is my placement a little too high? I mean, I do plan on some like text right down here, so that's why my placement is a little bit higher. I gotta go to the bathroom and take a look. Hang on. So I just went and looked at it in the bathroom, you guys. It looks really nice. Oh man. Design wise, there is some things I would change in the design if I was to embroider this again. But I already went and made those changes in the design. Like I said, I am going to put some stuff on the front. But I'm gonna do that off camera, of course. I don't want this video to be too long. And plus, my battery isn't fully charged up yet. But I already got it hooped up, and the next thing I'm going to do is on the Dickies shorts, the matching shorts. I'm going to put the logo right here on the cargo pocket. So right on that right side cargo pocket. That's only if it fits in the machine. I'm hoping that this little mini hoop can fit on the PRS 100. I'm gonna have to open up the pocket right here, so that way the hoop, the arm of the embroidery machine can like go into there, and hopefully that's enough space for it to embroider. Let's cross our fingers, you guys. Let's cross our fingers. But I'm gonna finish making my custom outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Chris with Patch Boy Dar, Patches for the Culture. We will see you on the next video. The next video, you might see this outfit fully complete. We'll see. See you on the next one.